कोंगुटे आंतरराज्य सेक्स्टॉर्शन रॅकेट एक्सपोज जाल्या उपरांत तपास फुडें वता तसो बलात्काराची केसीत धरिल्ल्यांक थाकाय मेळत आसा. 12 ऑगस्टाक पणजे बायला पुलिसेन राजस्थानाच्या राजेश पाटणीक धरिल्लो. कांदोळे एका हॉटेल रूमात ताणें बलात्कार केला म्हूण चलयेन पुलिसेंत कागाळ केल्ली. आपल्याक सोरो घालून हॉटेल रूमात बलात्कार केलो म्हूण तिची कागाळ आशिल्ली. तेन्ना सावन राजेश जेलीन आशिल्लो. आतां पणजे स्पेशल पॉक्सो कोर्टान राजेशाक जामीन मंजूर केला. राजेशाक बलात्कार प्रकरणात घुस्पयला आसत म्हूण सरकारी आदोगादान आर्ग्युमेंट घाल्लो. राजेश पाटणीक जामीन दितना कोर्टान निरीक्षण नोंद केलें तें अशें. तपासा वेळार मेळिल्ले पुरावे आनी स्टेटमेंट पळयल्यार राजेश पाटणेन चलयेक सोरो पिवपाक फोर्स करूं ना. कागाळ करपी चलयेनूच हुक्को आनी ड्रिंक ऑर्डर केल्ली. राजेश पाटणी आड आदींच आरोपपत्र दाखल जाला तरी आर्ग्युमेंटा खातीर कोर्टान 23 नोव्हेंबर फिक्स केला.
After bust of multi-state sextortion racket by Kalamgut police, persons who were booked and arrested in rape cases are getting relief one by one. Earlier, Gujarati businessman Anant Chamanlal Tanna had got relief by the court after the prosecution submitted that he may be one of the victims of sextortion racket and has been implicated in fake rape case. Admitting the submission of prosecution, court granted permission to the police to re-investigate the case against Tanna. And now another accused, Rajesh Patni, has got relief from the court as the court has granted him bail. Rajesh Patni, who was booked by Panji Bhuman police and arrested by Panji Bhuman police on 12th of August, he was in custody since then. But now the court has granted him bail and police has accused Rajesh Patni was arrested on 12th August by Panji Bhuman police in a rape case and since then he was in custody. But after grant of bail, he will be out after almost 4 months. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.